Dipalopalo di bontsha diperesente tse 87 tsa dikotsi mebileng di bakwa ke diphoso tse etswang ke bakganni.
The period under review saw a total of 1,451 people losing their lives on our roads. This is a 13.9% reduction compared to 1,680 fatalities in the previous year.
Diprovinseng tse ding dipalopalo tsa batho ba hlokahalletseng di theohile ntle le Gauteng moo di nyolohileng ho tloha ho 275 ho ya ho 290.
The challenge was mostly this year on pedestrians, and I think we should channel our campaigns and educative campaigns towards that. You'll realize that we are always focusing on motorists, and it happened in townships, and I think we should take it there.
Gauteng le Western Cape di taso di hlokahetse ka bongata. Dikotsi tsena boholo di bakwa ke batho ba nweleng jwala.
Majority of our people, they drink alcohol and they get into cars. And also the justice system minister is also still not assisting us, because through the operation Ukai Malao, there's quite a lot of your breathalyzers that actually do take place, and we even know the times that they go and get drunk.
Letona Mbadula lere di lori ke ngongoreo e kgolo mebileng ho latela kotsi ya lori ya gase Boxback moo se mo hlokahetse batho ba 40.